This is your friend, your brother Ron from Ron on the Grill, and as I'm posting this video right now, Labor Day is only a few days away, guys. I'm thinking about what I want to put on the grill, but I tell you what I don't want to do. What I don't want to do on Labor Day is labor all day. So what I'm going to do is give you 5 ideas that I think would be great for Labor Day. These are all quick and easy grilling recipes that you can do. They won't take much time. You won't be smoking something all day long. These are things that are already on my channel. These are cooks that I've already done. The videos are already up on my channel. So as I talk about these, I'm going to put links up to them so you can get to them real easy. I wanted to jump in here and put these up early enough so you can kind of make a decision, choose 1 or 2, and get your ingredients together. All right? So the first thing I want to recommend to you is my recipe for tender ribs in just 30 minutes. You're looking at the link right now. You can do this on the grill. You can even do it inside. And the key is a special tenderizing brine that I'm going to show you in the video. Number 2 is my smoked beer can burgers. You'll understand you'll understand when you watch the video, but it is a very cool thing that you can customize any way you want to. It's probably the longest cook on the list. You can do it in 2 hours or less. Smoked beer can burgers, the link is right there on your screen. Next up, we got grilled chicken thighs. You saw me make a glaze. You can do the glaze or you can just put them out there. Put them, season them up real good, put them on the grill. Chicken thighs are always a hit. You can put quite a few of them on there. They're cheap. They'll go fast, 30 minutes at the most if you follow my recipe in the video. But chicken thighs on the grill are awesome, and if you do them on the grill, you can put a couple of chunks of wood in there and add some smoke to them. Let's move on to number 4. For number 4, I got wings. If you can find some wings, and you better be shopping early, but if you can find some wings, I have a very cool recipe for crispy grilled wings. They come out crispy, almost like you fried them, but you do them on the grill. And you might be saying, well, hell, I can do fried wings, I can do crispy wings inside. I don't have to put them on the grill. Well, yes, you can, but what you can't do inside is put smoke on them. So if you do them on the grill, following the recipe that I'm going to give you, you can add a couple of chunks of hickory wood or apple wood and get a little smoke flavor on them. They taste delicious. And again, we talking about 30 minutes or less. So you're looking at the link right there. Check it out. Finally, for number 5, I'm going to give you something that's not meat. Everything I've given you so far is meat. But I got a side dish for you, and it's called grilled jalapeno coleslaw. Now, I put the jalapenos on the grill because I got a grilling channel, man. I got the grill. But the truth is, you don't have to do any cooking at all to make this salad. It's a prepackaged coleslaw. Add some coleslaw dressing, chop up some jalapenos, mix it in there, and that is that. But it tastes so good. Not only is it a great side dish, but it pairs well with everything else that I've listed so far. It's my top 5 grilling recipes for Labor Day. Take your time, check them out, choose 1 or 2 or as many as you want, and go do it. All right, have a happy Labor Day. It's Ron on the Grill.